What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You've got your iPhone 11 coming. So I ordered this case because I just wanted to take a quick look at it. It looked pretty cool, and if you're getting the new iPhone 11 and you want to show off its new fancy back and color and camera system, a clear one is probably a pretty good bet here. And you can see this thing is clear. It's TPU. It's relatively thick. I'd call it probably a millimeter and a half thick, but it's got good shape. The buttons are molded in here. A big cutout here for the camera housing, molded in buttons right there. They're not really molded all the way around. You can see they're kind of like little bridges with open parts here, then an open switch here. You can see, and I'm going to go way in on this, I'm going to put my hand behind it so you can see, there are little dots, and those are like air release bubbles so that you don't get kind of that sweaty, wet type of clinginess to the back of your iPhone. So even though it's clear, it won't give you kind of like smudges, you know, those they look like puddles. The other interesting thing about this is it has a kickstand built in. You can also see some little, they're on the inside here, some little ridges for the curved edges, cutouts here on the bottom. And then you have, oh, this looks like plastic. I must install it from the back somehow. But it does put a little bump up here, and so it's not going to sit flat. But the nice thing about this, and I'm trying to see here, how does this open up? Maybe this side here. Boom, just kind of pulls out. This is nice. It's like an alloy. It's kind of like a liquid metal. Feels like aluminum, but feels very, very light. You can see that it's an angled foot right there, so I can put it down and now use it with this kickstand to watch, especially if you get a really big iPhone. This one's for the 5.8. I think it shows it right here, iPhone 5.8. And I think the 6.5 is the other one. So obviously make sure that you're getting the right size, but if you're gonna get the smaller one, that's gonna fit nicely in the hand and show it off and watch movies. Hey, I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick it up. Peter Von Panda out.